Hello, welcome to the ingredient channel. It has been a while since I have been able to post videos due to some health issues. It just feels great to come back and reconnect. While my body is still recovering, I long for a dish that can open my taste buds, stay nutritious and easy to make. And this curry chicken potato came to mind, and it certainly didn't let me down. First, dice one skinless chicken thigh. To season it, half a teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. It's a little hard to get it out. 1 teaspoon of white pepper powder. One teaspoon of light soy sauce. 1 teaspoon of starch. 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Mix and massage until the liquid ingredients get absorbed. Set it aside. Cut 2 small red chili peppers, a handful of garlic, just punch them and squeeze. For the scallion, cut the green parts into rings and the white parts into half-inch long segments. Punch the scallion white before cutting to enhance the flavor. We also need to peel and cut 2 cups of potato and 1 cup of carrot. I'm using baby carrots to save some effort. In a heated pan with 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, sear the potato and the carrots. Medium heat. For the curry, I'm using the Japanese golden curry mix. It has 4 pieces per unit. We're gonna use one of them. Now the potato is browned lightly. Hopefully it's easy to see here. Scoop them up and set aside. Add 2 more tablespoons of cooking oil to the heated pan. Stir fry the red chili peppers, scallion segments, and garlic for about 10 seconds. Add in the chicken thigh. Sear and stir fry until brown. Add the potato and carrot back in. 1 teaspoon of salt, half a tablespoon of light soy sauce, and the curry mix. 1.5 cup of water. Mix well. Cover, bring to a boil, simmer for 15 to 20 minutes. In between, remember to make sure the curry melts and gets mixed evenly. 20 minutes later, the potato and carrot became very tender. Add the scallion rings for garnishment. Put some on top of a cup of white rice. It will be hard not to be tempted. Well, I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Try it and let me know your thoughts. Remember to like and subscribe. Thank you for your support, and I will see you around.